the infant seatbelt fastened.
In the unlikely event that cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will automatically deploy. Hold the mask towards you and place it over your nose and mouth. Strap it over your head and tighten it. Breathe normally. It is normal that the oxygen bag may not fully inflate. Please ensure to adjust your own mask before assisting others. In case of an emergency, put your seat upright. Fasten your seatbelt and place your feet flat on the floor. Lean forward as far as possible and lock your arms in position. Should there be a need to use the life vest, retrieve it from under or between your seats. Remove the plastic cover. Slip the life vest over your head and bring the straps around your waist. Connect the clip and pull to tighten. Inflate only when leaving through the emergency exit by pulling on the red tabs. To inflate it further, blow into the mouthpieces. Use the whistle and light to attract attention. Special life vests are available for children under the age of 4. In the unlikely event of evacuation, follow the escape path lighting to the nearest exit. Emergency exits are fitted with slides used for land evacuation or as rafts on water. Remove any high-heeled footwear prior to using the slide. Do not take your personal belongings with you, as this will slow down the evacuation. Please refer to the safety information card for more details. Passengers seated at the emergency exit doors may be called upon to assist the cabin crew.
Smoking is strictly prohibited on all our flights.
Stay connected with Singapore Airlines in-flight Wi-Fi and mobile services available on your flight today. To purchase Wi-Fi, connect to the on-air or Chris World services and launch your web browser to display our Wi-Fi portal and follow the guided steps. Select a price plan. Log in or create a new account. Make your payment and connect. With our in-flight mobile network provided by SITA On Air or Air and Mobile, you can send and receive text messages or use data roaming to surf the web on your mobile phone. More details can be found in the Chris World magazine in your seat pocket. Stay in touch on Singapore Airlines.
To deploy your bed, pull the latch behind the seat. The seat flips over easily to reveal your full flat bed, complete with bedsheet, duvet and pillow. Your comfortable bed is ready in seconds. For taxi, takeoff and landing, your seat should be in an upright position. Fold away the sheets and flip back the extension. Press down on the bed, pull the latch and return the seat back to its upright position. Have an enjoyable and relaxing flight.
Please ensure the seatbelt is securely fastened and cover the seats are drawn up. Thank you.